The WP-26FV 200A TIG Torch Package is a versatile welding solution featuring a flexible head with a gas valve, making it ideal for a wide range of welding applications. This complete package is equipped with a robust 200 ampere air-cooled torch and a durable 25-foot power cable, ensuring reliable performance and extended reach. Crafted with premium quality silicone rubber, the torch body is designed for long-lasting service, promising durability and efficiency for frequent users. The package includes a Dinse 35 to 50 mm solid 1/2-inch pin cable adapter, which is compatible with most mainstream welders, offering great flexibility for various setups. The inclusion of a separate gas hose in the package enhances its functionality and allows for a more streamlined welding process. Welding City provides strong technical support and experienced customer service, ensuring that users receive the guidance they need for optimal use of their product.